Brita 060258355024 Standard Replacement Water Filter, 2CT. BPA-free. Enjoy BPA-free Brita Standard Replacement Filters made to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers except Brita Stream pitchers. Height 5.31. Width 2.31. Length depth 2.31. Weight 0.13 pounds. Cleaner. Only Brita filters are certified to reduce chlorine, taste and odor, copper, mercury, zinc, and cadmium. Contaminants reduced may not be in all users' water. Easy installation. A pull-top cap makes filter change quick and easy with no pre-soaking necessary in order to enjoy great tasting, filtered water in minutes. Replacement filter. Replace your standard filter every 40 gallons, about every 2 months for the average household. Brita filters last 2.5x longer lasting than zero water. Reduce waste and save. One Brita standard filter can replace 316.9 ounces water bottles. You'll stay hydrated, save money and reduce plastic waste. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.